Okay, it's on. So that's good. All that's one good thing that works. Now I gotta try to home it and make sure all this stuff works. But you want to lower your bed down. You don't want to home it before you get these screws lowered down, because this could scratch that because it's glass. So, and that's like metal, so it'll leave a big scratch in it. So you're best off. And I'm pretty sure you can blue tape this too. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blue tape it. I don't want to ruin my bed. I can just blue tape it, and because I don't want to have to put a new bed on there in 6 months. So I'll just run it like that. But okay, this thing is so quiet. You cannot hear it at all. I mean, what? This thing is so quiet you can't hear it at all. Listen, I can hear my Ender 3 running outside in the garage, and it's all the way in here. So this is super quiet. I mean, super quiet. It just barely hums. But I'm going ahead and raising my Z limit, or my Z motor up 10 millimeters at a time, just to make sure everything's working okay. It looks like it's all working fine. Okay. Take it back down. Make sure all that's okay. It should be alright. At least get it back to where it was. Okay, now we're going to want to try the y-axis. We will do 1 millimeter at a time on the y-axis. I probably should have auto-homed this. Let's auto-home it and see what happens. Okay, I auto-homed it. Everything is working good. The bed moved back. The extruder's going down now. It went over and back. It's all working good so far. It hit the thing that was broke and stopped, so that's good. Now at least we know that's working. I'd have been pretty disappointed if that didn't work, because this is actually a nice printer. I mean, it's a step up really to me from the CR10. It's very quiet. I mean, I hit my stepper motor right there. It's perfect. I mean, it's right where it's supposed to be. The nozzle's resting on the bed, not too tight. So it's looking good. I mean, everything looks good to me. I can just tighten that up a little bit to get that off the bed. I can hear it clicking. You can hear it making a little bit of noise. So if you can see, it's up off the bed. It ain't hurting the bed. That's the main thing. All right, guys, and that's your Tevo Tornado build. I will come back. This has Marlin software. I will come back with the first test print so you guys can see it. All right, thank you very much.